Good evening, everybody. I'm Caroline, the Daily Trader. It is November 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up 28 cents today, so that's 0.12%. Closed at 227.82. Post-market, we are down by 68 cents. So let's look at what we have on the chart. So we were waiting for a break above 229.77. We did not get it. We did not get it, even though the day started pretty good. We launched pretty high. So we opened at 234. Pretty nice. The volume was just okay for the day. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so the first hour was pretty nice. Nice, clean break above 229.77. But then we had the red candle there. Then the second hour was another red candle with the body smack on our resistance. And then we came back down. So this impulse did not last very long, and we lost stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, basically we have the FOMC meeting tomorrow, right? So people are waiting to see what is going to happen, what the Fed will do in terms of interest rates and everything. So maybe this is why things are just moving sideways. Let's go back on the daily charts. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic is flattening a little bit at 49.62. RSI did not reach 50, and all other indicators are pretty much stayed the same. Yeah, let's wait for tomorrow, this FOMC meeting, see what is happening, and see what is the market reaction to what the Fed is saying. So that's the facts are one thing, but the interpretations or the story behind the fact is up for debate and interpretation. And this is what is going to ultimately impact the stock market. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.